always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello.
This song is about colors. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Yes, we do. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Now take two. Mix two colors and you'll make something new. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Yes, we do. You can also add a little bit of black or white. Yeah!
It's so good to see you again. The rest of the gang is already here. Let's see what Pig is up to.
Hi, Pig. What are you painting?
Well, I wanted to paint a snowman, but it's hard to see the white paint on the paper.
Could you use darker paper?
Hedgehog, that's a great idea. Look, now you can see my snowman.
That looks really good, Pig. Can I paint too?
Of course.
Mr. Goose, we're painting with white paint on dark paper. Can we make white the color of the day?
Hedgehog, that's a great idea. Presenting white.
Colors fill our world like a rainbow that's unfurled, painting earth and sky, the colors of my life. The world is filled with so many beautiful colors, like the color white. White is here and there. I see it everywhere. White is all around, in the sky and on the ground. Bum, 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 bum.
I'm crunching leaves, but only white leaves. I see one. Let's look for more. Let's look for one more. Do you see it? There it is. We did it! Yay! See you!
Which Which rabbit is white? There it is! White rabbit. Which goat is white? There it is! White goat. Which dish is white? There it is! White dish. Which flower is white? There it is! White flower. Sensational! It's story time!
Yay!
Gather round, everyone!
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. This story features a little girl, a dog, and a cat. Let's see what happens. Let's begin. It Wasn't Me, written by Leslie Beek, illustrated by Gwendolyn Vandermeer, designed by Alexandria McKinnon. I won't be long. Be good. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Crash. Oh. Oh no. Hiss. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. It wasn't me. The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog.
Let's sing Itsy Bitsy Spider.
I don't know that song.
You don't know it yet. I'll teach it to you. And look what I have in my backpack. My maracas. I'll sing the song first, then you sing along with me. Okay, let's begin. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Now this time we'll all sing together, okay?
Okay.
Yeah! Yes! I'm ready.
Here we go. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Well done!
Thank you, Mr. Frog.
Thank you for singing with me. Goodbye.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
Hi, Ms. Panda. What are you doing?
Hi, Monkey. I cut out all of these colored shapes, and now I'm sorting them.
Can I help?
I would love it if you helped. Thank you, Monkey. First, find all the purple triangles and put them in a box.
Okay. There's one. There's another one. This is purple.
That's a square. We only want purple triangles.
Oh, right. I forgot. Here's one.
Thank you, Monkey. Now, let's gather all of the purple stars.
Okay. Here. Here. And here.
Splendid!
Should I look for purple squares now, Ms. Panda?
That's a good idea.
Okay. Here. 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 And here.
Great! And what's left?
2 red shapes.
Okay, let's put both of them in their own box.
Okie dokie. No more shapes.
Thank you so much, Monkey.
What are all of these shapes for?
Whatever we want. We can use them to make art projects.
Ooh, I could use 2 triangles to make a bow tie. Look.
Oh, Monkey, you look very fancy.
Shapes. Circles. Triangles. Ovals. Stars. Squares. Rectangles. Hey, I have an idea. Look. Hi, pal. Let's have a pattern party. Patterns repeat. Patterns repeat. When I say a pattern, repeat to the beat. Okay, everybody. I'll say a pattern. Then repeat it back with me. Wigglebug, bird. 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 You did it! Come on, Pig. Now it's your turn.
Okay. Patterns repeat. Patterns repeat. When I say a pattern, repeat to the beat. Bird, bird, wigglebug. Bird, bird, wigglebug.
Bird! Bird! Wigglebug! Bird! Bird! Wigglebug!
Keep going.
Bird! Bird! Wigglebug! Bird! Bird! Wigglebug! Hedgehog and I are doing one together! Patterns repeat!
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye! Goodbye!
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen. Little Bo Peep has lost her sheep and doesn't know where to find them. Leave them alone and they'll come home, bringing their tails behind them. Little Bo Peep has lost her sheep and doesn't know where to find them. Leave them alone and they'll come home, bringing their tails behind them. Bo Peep has lost her sheep and doesn't know where to find them. Leave them alone and they'll come home, bringing their tails behind them.